The one that needed a piece welded in.
But I had to weld this.
Yeah, I knew that one had a crack in it. One of these. Yeah, we have to. Boy, I hope I can learn how to do that. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to try and do more fun stuff on the MGA. We also have to haul a horse, but you know, that can be happening at any time. We got a parts order. Cables! Low friction throttle cable. This is the chrome for the radio blocking plate. It'll look a lot prettier than that one we had. Starter cable. This comes out, connects, and when you pull on it, that's what starts it. Choke cable. Heater valve cable. I believe that is the oil pressure gauge. And pain. There's the exhaust seal, so I can get the exhaust put on it. Heater control valve, and some of the cable stops. Progress will happen today. Hopefully the dash turns out alright so we can put it in and have everything mounted. Start this bit. Oh, good. Can't imagine why it's not starting.
Right here. Let's not out.
needle out, so it just touches the rig.
So basically everything you're saying is this is your job, get the hell out of the way.
No, it's saying we need 20 weight oil.
There's your carburetor oil.
So you just want it up over there too.
Holy. Stop leveling. It's not even a splash. Woo!
Black?
Oh yeah. Definitely engine oil. Actually, yeah. See if I can get this drop down. Hey, Leonard! Give me keys off the truck! Keys off the truck! Look! Get game up!
He's coming! Don't let the dogs out!
He didn't. The only time those tires will ever spin. He's sitting on it. Hop in! Wait, Pop, give her a ride.
How do I get
It
in?
ain't staying running. It quit. It ran out of gas.
You could have just opened the door.
I didn't know how.
It's called pull.
Oh my god! Oh, somebody get me off the floor.
I was spinning tire.
Did you already get the sawdust for me?
No!
I can't reach the pedal myself. It just quit like it ran out of gas.
I think we're out of gas.
Yeah, it ran out of gas.
He was like,
Huh?
I ran out of gas.
Yeah.
yep.
It didn't have much in it.
Yeah, but now how are we going to get back to garage?
Do you have any gas?
No.
Well, some in this family do.
Papa! What you think?
I enjoyed it.
You excited?
Yep.
It's running, it's driving. How cool is that? Tons of work, tons of adjustments. Still got a few more to go. Gear shifter works, brakes work, gas works, everything works, even the gauges that we have hooked up. Coming along nice. A few little final touches, we'll be good to go. We're ordering a better battery for it, and we got a few oddball things to figure out and whatnot, but awesome job. So like, comment, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you on the flip side.